Hi guys, how are you doing? I welcome you to Mom and Baby Wellness. It's a pleasure to have you here, and today we are going to cover 4 important tips that you need to know to conceive a baby girl. So 4 important tips you need to know in order to conceive a baby girl. So let's get started. So welcome back guys, my name is Nasteri. I welcome you to Mom and Baby Wellness. In this channel we talk a lot about trying to conceive, about pregnancy, baby care and general health and well-being. So if any of these subjects resonates with you, kindly hit that subscribe button. So as I've told you, today we are going to cover 4 important tips you need to know to conceive a baby girl. So if you're looking to conceive a baby girl, so what are these 4 things that you must know to help you conceive a baby? Important tip number 4, you need to know that in order to conceive a baby girl, the pH environment around your vagina should be acidic, because X chromosomes, that is the chromosomes that produce a baby girl, actually like thriving in an acidic environment. So how do you maintain an acidic environment? So you do this by consuming foods that are that will produce this acidic type of environment, and these foods include things like leafy green vegetables, fruits and grains, fish, things like blueberries. All these foods will like help you improve your the help produce an acidic environment that will favor the X chromosome. Important tip number 3, take prenatal vitamins, and this include folic acid is a must, and zinc. Folic acid and zinc, make sure you get a prescription for prenatal vitamins, and that is must have folic and zinc. So your OBS-GYN can recommend other prenatal vitamins, but make sure that those 2 are present. Important tip number 2, avoid deep penetration during intercourse, because a deep penetration actually favors conceiving a baby boy, and you want to know how to conceive a baby girl. So avoid deeper penetration during the intercourse. So make sure that the penetration is lighter, and yes, because when you go deeper, or when the intercourse is deeper, then you're favoring conceiving a boy and you want to conceive a girl. Important tip number 1 is timing. Make sure that you start having intercourse immediately after your period has ended, and stop having intercourse at least 2 to 4 days before ovulation. So 2 to 4 days before ovulation, make sure you stop having intercourse, because those days that are so near to your ovulation, they actually favor conceiving baby boys. So that is important tip number 1, and it's very, very vital. Another bonus tip that I want to share with you, if you want to know how the pH of your vagina, you can actually purchase a pH test. You can actually buy a pH test. I will leave a link below this video. I've also done numerous videos on this subject, that is how to conceive a girl, how to conceive a boy, how to conceive twins. I'm also going to leave all the links in the video description. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Next one, bye bye.